Hello foodies, welcome to Foodland. Let's make North Indian style Mughlai chicken. Enjoy this creamy, yummy chicken dish with Indian bread, naan or rice. This was our basic marination. So I have the whole chicken with bone. Clean the chicken, add turmeric powder, salt, yogurt, ginger garlic paste, garam masala powder, coriander powder and some red chili powder. So mix this well and marinate for at least half an hour. While my chicken is marinating, I'm chopping the onion and tomato. So I have taken 2 small onion and chopping it in the chopper. Look at this. And 3 tomatoes thinly chopped. I've also taken 3 green chilies, little bit of ginger and little bit of garlic. For that creamy richness, I'm soaking the cashew nuts in the hot water. In a pot, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of butter and 1 tablespoon of oil. Add half a tablespoon of cumin and our chopped onion. Saute it well. 2 minutes. Add ginger, garlic and chili. It's time to add our tomatoes with some salt in it, just so it's cooking easily. Also add a couple pinches of turmeric just for the beautiful color. It's time to cook our chicken, so let's saute it well. Two minutes of sauteing, I have added 1 cup of water just to cook our chicken thoroughly. Cover the lid and cook it for 10 minutes. While it's cooking, let's make the cashew paste. Alright, so let's add our cashew paste just for that thickness and creaminess. To enhance this rich gravy, I'm adding 3 tablespoons of roasted fenugreek leaves. They are called kasuri methi. It gives a beautiful, flavorful element to the gravy. And it's optional, but top it up with heavy cream, about 2 to 3 tablespoons. And look at this. Our rich and creamy Mughlai chicken dish is ready. I have topped it up with ginger julienne and some coriander and green chili. Isn't that easy? I hope you like this recipe. Do try it at home and give me your feedback. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye. Our other recipes on my channel. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Bye for now.